Alright, so continuing with the optimization, what we have is a box with cutout edges of variable x, the distance of the cutout edge, edge, and side 10, width 20, and we fold those edges up to create a width of 20 minus 2x and a length of 10 minus 2x. Okay? And then we had our base area. Length times width is all this, and then volume is length times width times height, so that makes sense. So the base is length times width. Alright, so let's finish this problem. Okay, so right here we're optimizing the volume of the box, so we need to take the derivative and set it equal to 0 to find that maximum value of x for this side of x, because we all know that the max occurs at a horizontal tangent line where the derivative is equal to 0. So v is equal to 4x cubed minus 60x squared plus 200x. So v prime is equal to 12x squared minus 120x plus 200. Okay, now I'm going to use a quadratic formula, set this equal to 0, but before I do, I'm going to factor out a 4. So that'll be 3x squared minus 30x plus 50. Whoops. Alright, so there we go. So we're going to use our quadratic formula, which is negative b, which is positive 30, plus or minus the square root of b squared, 900, minus 4 times 3, 12 times 50, which is 600. So all over 2a, which is 6. Alright, so 30 plus or minus square root of 300 over 6. Alright, that's going to yield me 2 answers, okay? So pay attention to these answers. So right here, 30 plus second root 300, that's going to be that divided by 6, 7.887, and then I'll do the other one, minus 300 divided by 6, 2.113. Now we have to think of these answers in the context of the x value here. We're finding width and length, and when we plug these in, it's very obvious as to which one is correct, because let's say, for example, the length is equal to 10 minus 2x. So if we were to substitute this one right here, that would be 10 minus 7.887, 2 times 7.887. Alright, so let's try that. 10 minus 2 times 7.887. Well, that's a negative value. How can you have a negative length? So it's like, what the heck? So you know that that's not your solution. So we need to substitute 2.113 into this and this. Alright, so my length is 10 minus 2 times 2.113. My width is 20 minus 2 times 2.113, and my height is just 2.113. Okay, obviously, because x is my height, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, 5.774 5.774. And of course this one's going to be 15.774. And you can find the total volume actually if you wanted to. Alright, you just take your volume is equal to length times width times height. And that's about it. Okay. Alright, so these are your three solutions right here, guys. Alright. Hope this video helps. This is number 4, and number 5 is soon to come. I'll talk to you guys later.